Once upon a time, there was a peaceful kingdom ruled by a kind and wise king who loved his people deeply.
King, I want to go hunting today. Come with me. Elper, yes, my king, whatever happens will be good.
They rode deep into the jungle, ready for the hunt.
The king aimed at a deer and fired, but the bullet backfired. His finger was badly hurt, and the deer ran away. King said, "You fool, you loaded the gun wrong. Because of you, my finger is ruined." And Helper said, "Whatever happens will be good, my king."
The king became furious and threw his helper into jail. Yet the helper said softly, "Whatever happens will be good."
After a few days, the king went hunting again, this time alone.
Suddenly, some jungle men captured the king. They wanted to sacrifice him to their forest god.
But when they saw that one of the king's fingers was missing, they refused to sacrifice him. They said, "Our god only accepts perfect bodies."
And the king runs away from there and reaches the palace and meets the helper.
You were right, my friend. Because of my missing finger, I was saved from death. I'm sorry for putting you in jail. Helper said, "You need not be sorry, my king. If I had gone with you, they would have sacrificed me instead. So truly, whatever happens will be good." From that day on, the king never forgot the helper's golden words. Whatever happens will be good.